In the mole concept of 2, we have 10 formulas on the mole concept. And mole concept will divide into two categories. Mole concept on molecules and other side mole concept on atoms. In mole concept of molecules, there are 5 formulas, and exactly similarly on the mole concept of atoms, there are 5 formulas. The first formula on the mole concept of molecules, number 1, mass is equal to gram mole into molecular mass. Number 2, gram mole is equal to mass in gram divided by molecular mass. Number 3, number of molecules is equal to gram mole into n. N is the Avogadro's numbers, which is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Number 4, gram mole is equal to number of molecules by n. Number 5, mass of one molecule is equal to molecular mass in gram divided by n. And on the exactly same basis, we have another 5 formulas on the mole concept of atoms. I have already told in the mole concept one part. In case of molecules, we are using the word gram moles, and in case of atoms, we are using the word gram atom. So, sixth formula, mass is equal to gram atom into atomic mass. And seventh, gram atom is equal to mass in gram by atomic mass. 8, number of atoms is equal to gram atom into n. Number of 9 is equal to gram atom is equal to number of atoms by m. And 10, mass of one atom is equal to atomic mass in gram divided by n. So if we compare simultaneously mole concept and molecule, mole concept and atoms, here mass is equal to gram mole into molecular mass. And in this case, mass is equal to gram atom into atomic mass. Because I am reminding you, as per the mole concept 1, for the molecules, we are using the word gram moles, and for the atoms, we are using the word gram atom. So that if we compare the formulas, mass is equal to gram mole into molecular mass in case of molecules, and mass is equal to gram atom into atomic mass in case of atoms, mole concept and atom. And exactly 2 and 7. Here, in case of molecules, gram mole is equal to mass in gram divided by molecular mass. But in case of atoms, the number of gram atom is equal to mass in grams by atomic mass. Again, here it is a molecular mass and here is the atomic mass. Number 3 and 8, number of molecules is equal to gram mole into n. And here, the number of atoms is equal to gram atom into m. Similarly, 4 and 9s, here gram mole is equal to the number of molecules by m. And here gram atom is equal to number of atoms by n. And the last one, on the left hand side we have the mass of one molecules, and here the mass of one atom. Mass of one molecules is equal to molecular mass in gram by n, and mass of one atom is equal to atomic mass by n grams. So for examples, mass of one molecule of O2, for example, mass of one molecule of O2, O2 molecular mass is 16 by n gram. And in this cases, for examples, mass of one atom of O is equal to O atomic mass 16 divided by n grams. So once again, if we take mass of one molecule of O2 is equal to molecular mass by n grams, that equals 16 by n grams. But here the mass of one atom of oxygens, it's the atomic mass 16 by n grams. So one molecule of O2 is equal to 16 into 2, that is equal to 32 by n grams, and mass of one atom of O is equal to 16 by n grams. Mass of one molecule of O is equal to 16 by n into 2, otherwise 16 into 2 by n is equal to 32 by n grams. O2 molecular mass is 32, O atomic mass is equal to 16. The mass of one molecule of O2 32 by m, molecular mass of O2 32, mass of one atom of O is equal to 16 by n grams.